On the Threedium platform, we have a camera that is created in the scene by default, but it requires a few adjustments to ensure a smooth and controlled viewing experience. In this tutorial, we'll configure the camera to prevent zooming inside objects, limit excessive zooming out, and correctly set the near-far rendering range. To start the setup, let's go to the Cameras tab and activate the camera by clicking this button. First, let's adjust the field of view value. Now the object looks more correct. Keep in mind that the optimal FOV depends on the specific model, so feel free to fine-tune this value for different scenes. Next, go to the Camera Controls tab. Let's configure the camera distance to set proper zoom in and zoom out limits. Move the camera as close as possible and select an appropriate value for zoom in. Then move the camera farther away and reduce the zoom out value. In this tab, we can also enable automatic camera rotation, limit the camera's horizontal and vertical rotation angles, and adjust various sensitivity parameters. Now, let's return to the Cameras tab and configure the near-far values. These settings define the rendering range of the camera. Sometimes we may encounter similar issues when the near-far range is too large and polygons are located on parallel planes and very close to each other. Correct near to far values resolve this issue, so let's choose appropriate ones. Finally, we'll define the initial camera position used when the 3D scene loads. Simply position the camera as needed and lock it using the icon in the Position field. The Target field controls the point around which the camera rotates. By default, the coordinates are set relative to the model's origin, but you can manually change them to change the camera's rotation point. That's it for the camera setup. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next videos.